Today we're going to bring an actual digital timer, and this is probably one of the best timers I use. I actually play a lot of poker with my friends, and this is something that you use all the time. So if you guys can see 30, it could be 30 seconds, 30 minutes, 10, 5, 3, 15, and 25. That's pretty much what you got. So this is a very small little timer. So whatever you drop it on and whatever spacing, it's going to give you the actual countdown of that. So let's turn it on. So to turn it on, it's the same thing. Both buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3, and it's going to come up. And it's a little faded right now. All right, so right now you might not be able to see it there. We're going to get a different look again, but this is a great timer if you're going to be playing some games. So if you drop in 3, it's going to highlight 3, and it's going to have a countdown of 3 minutes, right? So very simple. You drop it, and it starts going. So let me see if I could get it going, and there it is. It starts counting. If you guys can see just a little bit, I could show you. And there is an alarm when it beeps. Now, a couple of things that you should know. On the top of it, it has minutes, and this is seconds. And these are the volume control, minus and plus, all right? So if you want it to be louder, hit the plus button. If you want to make your own timer, you could do minutes or you could do seconds, all right? Either way. So this is a very useful timer for two things. You could be playing some sort of games that requires a timer, or if you're going to be cooking in the kitchen, this is a perfect way to actually have it. And you can just have it handy. You don't have to do anything. Just have it on standby. And so you pick it up. It activates if you turn it on, or activates if you keep it on. And it also has a micro USB charging station. So no batteries required. You just charge it and it'll last you for a long time. So if you're cooking for something for 30 minutes, you put it there. It starts timing. If you guys can see 29 seconds, 29 minutes, we have it. And it actually does a countdown. Very simple, very loud too. If you want it to be loud as you want, simple. Very simple, easy to use, like the timer. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.